like I said in my introductory post, Athens, Greece is my favorite city. It's based on not only the modern culture, which I'll get into, but also the previous culture and the ancient culture, as you can see here. This is the Parthenon, located atop the Acropolis in Greece, which is on a giant, like, rocky cliff face. There's a few different buildings. I'll cover a couple of them. This is, like I said, the Parthenon. Um, this one is called the Erechtheion. Um, it was built for the legendary god in Greek mythology, Erechtheus. And again, it just goes to show the true intricate detail and the impressive stonework that they could perform even in ancient times. This is more contemporary, so this food is called moussaka. It's a combination of, on the bottom, it's a bechamel sauce, it's a mincemeat, potatoes, and eggplant. Um, while I was in Greece, the food there is unbelievable. So I don't want to say different from the United States. It's just more full of flavor, and it's just a different style. It's more Mediterranean style. And then if you don't want to spend a lot of money on food, they also have street food. Whether you pronounce it gyro or gyro, either way, it's delicious. So if you're going to go there, definitely see a vendor. They have a million different kinds of gyro or gyro, however you pronounce it. But yeah, it was pretty good. And then another thing we did while we were there was visit the Monastiraki flea market. It's a public square in Greece, um, and there's just anything you could ever think of there. So, um, from little trinkets to super expensive pots to ancient jewelry, stuff like that. So, these are just a few reasons why I chose Athens as my favorite city.